I'll be honest, it's getting a little old going to my local Chevy dealer over and over and over again. I just got my vehicle back last week. The battery pack had to be replaced. It's a high voltage system error. If you see it, you're going to need new battery. Everyone I saw that got that message on forums had to have the battery replaced. So I drive it home, and the very next day, I can't select any options. I got my vehicle back last Wednesday. I just drove it home and parked it. The next day, I'm running errands, and because it was cold, my seat heater was turned on, and I realized that I could not touch any buttons on the infotainment system when I tried to turn the seat heater off because my bottom was on fire. And then I noticed I couldn't turn the vehicle off with the off button. So I didn't even come back home that next day. I was running errands, just dropped it back off at the Chevy dealer. I dropped it off on Thursday last week. They had it Friday, Saturday, closed Sunday. I received it back around noon on Monday. I think part of the issue was that there were no codes and found no bulletin related to this issue in a Silverado EV. However, there was an issue with other Silverados, not EVs, and the tech checked with GM and they said apply the fix for this other model, and it worked. I can touch the buttons now. The one weird thing that happened, though, is when I got it back, I wasn't having any regen. I thought perhaps because it's been really cold that there was no regen, but after driving it around for 30, 40 minutes, still no regen, I hit the button that is on the infotainment system for regen. It was set to the default, and as soon as I hit the button just to view the setting, it started working. Thought that was weird. It also wouldn't hold you in place when you're stopped at a light, but all that came back as soon as I hit the button. It's still a little buggy. The other issue I had was regarding the charge stops. It's supposed to display nearby charging locations, and that stopped working, and it told me to contact OnStar, but the fix was to again reprogram the whole infotainment system. So this is back from September, but it's sort of annoying. If I didn't live a mile from my Chevy dealer, I'd be a little bit more upset. Hopefully things get better.